The dark legends of Celtic folklore, particularly in Ireland and Scotland, mutter something about the chilling nature of changelings, magical creatures that hold a disturbing secret. It is rumored that they are left in place of human children, abducted by supernatural beings known as fairies or elves. These creatures, inhabiting the shadows between worlds, are particularly fond of human babies, snatching them to their own spellbound realms, where time flows oddly and dreams become living nightmares. The swapping is subtle and insidious. When parents are distracted, too busy with daily chores, or lulled into a heavy sleep, the tricky fairies appear, concealed by the fog of dawn or twilight. They steal away the real child and in its place leave a changeling, a surrogate that looks identical to the human baby, but soon reveals its shadowy side. Initially, the changeling may seem the same as the lost infant, its features the same and its cries gentle. But as the days go by, the parents start to notice unsettling changes. The changeling is struck by a deep unease, as if something alien is hiding under its pale skin. It can weep unceasingly, its wail piercing through the nights like a cold blade, driving its parents to the verge of madness. Sometimes its eyes display a disturbing intelligence, a twinkle that is unlike an ordinary baby. Some accounts claim that they possess an insatiable appetite, as if they were attempting to fill a void that does not belong in the mortal world. Others assert that, when they are alone, one can hear them mumbling ancient words, whispers that recall time-lost incantations. Many theories abound as to why the fairies leave the changelings in place of the kidnapped babies. Perhaps the creatures crave the freshness and innocence of human children, something that has long since been lost in their dark and far-off realms. Others believe that the changelings are left as a sort of cruel joke, a way of spreading chaos and pain among humans, a stark reminder that the Celtic fairy kingdoms, while beautiful and magical, conceal a power which is not driven by compassion. Changelings exude an aura of misfortune and turmoil, and their very presence in a household can turn even the brightest of days into a never-ending nightmare. With their unceasing crying and insatiable hunger, they sap the vitality out of their caretakers, making them weak and exhausted, as though something is slowly leaching out their strength. The creature also brings with it a wave of misfortune. The milk turns sour, the farm animals get sick for no obvious reason, and an eerie atmosphere envelops the house as if shadows have taken over even the walls. Some hold the theory that changelings can manipulate the minds of those around them, triggering nightmares and gloomy thoughts, tainting parents' minds with uncertainty and despair. The need for an exorcism becomes inevitable, a last resort to shake off the creature. As for parents suspicious of having fallen victim to a changeling, legends suggest dark methods to ascertain its nature. From exposing it to fire or boiling water, expecting the creature to reveal its true form and flee, to less ruthless methods, such as leaving it near cold iron, a material that fairies loathe. If the changeling is revealed, it may disappear, leaving a smoke trail and echoes of distant laughter, while the true child mysteriously returns, or in some cases, is never seen again. The fate of changelings is enveloped in mystery, yet few dare to plumb the depths of this bleak exchange. They stand as a reminder that the fairy world, so near and yet so far, harbors secrets that are beyond human understanding. A place where the frontier between reality and nightmare is tenuous, and where a smiling child may be something more ancient and malevolent, looming with glowing eyes in the shadows of the night.